Elliot's eyes flutter open, greeting the same drab confines of his lifeless apartment. He rises with robotic precision, his movements devoid of energy or purpose. Mechanically, he prepares a flavorless breakfast, the routine sapping any semblance of joy. His gaze lingers on the lifeless food, a subtle glimmer of discontent flickering across his face. Elliot swallows the last bite, the controlled nature of his existence weighing heavily upon him. Elliot, a lone figure, sits entrenched at his workstation, his movements mechanical and devoid of spark. The virtual factory hums with a monotonous rhythm, an atmosphere of boredom and repetition permeating the space. Suddenly, a glitch flickers on Elliot's screen, a line of code, alien and unsettling, vanishing as quickly as it appeared. Elliot's brow furrows, a sense of unease creeping into the once stagnant air. The virtual factory, once monotonous, now bristles with an eerie tension, the hum of machinery taking on a more ominous tone. Elliot's gaze darts around the factory floor, his eyes wide with the unsettling awareness of his simulated reality. He observes the repetitive, almost robotic movements of his coworkers, their conversations reduced to canned responses. A wave of panic threatens to overwhelm him, but he fights against it, his brow furrowing with a growing determination. Elliot steadies himself, his gaze hardens, and his resolve becomes as firm as steel. He knows the truth now, and he's prepared to face whatever lies ahead. Elliot's eyes narrow with intense focus as he hunches over his computer, the screen's glow casting an ethereal light on his face. Lines of code scroll rapidly as Elliot's fingers dance across the keyboard, testing and probing the virtual world's architecture. With a subtle tweak of the code, Elliot unlocks hidden doors, setting the stage for his next move. Elliot's concentration deepens, his mind racing as he creates strategic diversions within the virtual realm. Elliot navigates the pulsing city streets, his gaze meticulously surveying the simulated world around him. The rigid patterns of the Matrix come into focus, revealing subtle glitches and inconsistencies that catch Elliot's discerning eye. Elliot pauses, cataloging each anomaly with the precision of a seasoned hacker, his mind already processing ways to exploit the system's flaws. The bustling city street fades into the background as Elliot's gaze turns inward, his eyes alight with the thrill of uncovering new vulnerabilities. A faint smile plays on Elliot's lips, hinting at the possibilities that lie within the cracks of this artificial world. With renewed purpose, Elliot resumes his trek, his steps quickening as he envisions the ways to harness these glitches for his own ends. Elliot's fingers dance across the holographic interface, code streams flickering to life on the screen. A cascade of errors ripples through the factory's mainframe, a digital smokescreen to mask his intrusion.